Welcome back to Trading Strategy number 3, day 120. Welcome to the last day of the course. I am so happy to have spent the last 119 days with you. Let's do it again. What's next? Always remember, repetition is the mother of retention and the grandmother of success. In order to retain what you have learned, you must continue to review what you have learned. The best way to do that is to follow the current market lessons and go back to the beginning of the course and begin to review it again. The whole thing. Why? You will find pieces of information that you missed. Again, the more you review the material, the more of the material you will remember, and the better and more successful trader you will be. Our other trading strategies complement the trading strategy you just learned. Combined, they will provide you with more high probability trades. Please let us know if you have any questions. Keep practicing to succeed. Thank you for taking these lessons.